Samsung's latest smartphones include excellent, cutting-edge AI tools that enhance text, images, videos, and search. The new Galaxy S24 Ultra combines the latest AI from Samsung and Google into one of the best phones on the market, and is packed with features that dwarf the competition. All these options cost £1,249 Euro 1 for 69/$1, $299.99/$2, $199, the same as its predecessor in the UK, but more expensive in the US and elsewhere. The overall design differs only repeatedly from the previous model, with a completely flat screen, rather than curved, and new titanium parts similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This provides a grippy finish and theoretically makes it stronger and more durable. The screen is equipped with Corning's latest Gorilla Armor glass, which is scratch-resistant and much less reflective, which significantly reduces glare and makes the ultra-clear screen easy to use outdoors, even in the brighter days of sunlight. The S24 Ultra is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, offering 20% faster speeds, 26% faster graphics, and greater energy efficiency than the previous generation. It's a very fast phone that can handle games, demanding apps and multitasking, but the long battery life is especially noticeable in everyday use. The phone lasts up to 60 hours of typical use, including photography, browsing, messaging, hours of 5G use and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it one of the longest-lasting phones we've tested. Peak gaming or more intensive tasks will have a negative impact on battery life. Playing Diablo Immortal for 1 hour drains your battery by 18%. But otherwise, you'll have to charge it every 3 days. Specification: Main screen, 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X, 500 ppi, 120 Hz. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. RAM memory: 12 GB. Memory: 256, 512 GB or 1 TB. Operating system: One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. Camera: 200MP plus 12MP 0.6x plus 10MP 3x plus 50MP 5x, 12MP front. Connectivity: 5G, USB-C, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, UWB and GNSS. Waterproof: IP68, 1.5 30 minutes. Size: 162.3 by 79 by 8.6 mm. Weight: 232 g. Stability: Samsung doesn't give an expected battery life, but it should last at least 80% of its original capacity over 500 full charge cycles. Phones are usually reparable. A screen repair will cost around £270 and the battery can be replaced at an authorized service center. Samsung also offers a self-repair program. The phone contains recycled aluminium, steel, cobalt, glass, plastic and rare earth metals. Samsung offers a sale and recycling program for old devices. The company publishes an annual sustainability report, but does not issue impact assessments for individual products. S Pen, 7 years of support and ubiquitous AI. The S24 Ultra features Samsung's beloved S Pen, which slides neatly into the bottom. Perfect for scribbling, doodling or quickly editing documents. Based on Android 14, the One UI 6.1 software is loaded with options and system-wide customization tools to perform well. The new features in 2024 put Samsung on par with Apple's iPhone and Google's Pixel 8 after 7 years of software and security updates, with only the Fairphone offering a longer window. Many are simply keeping up with the competition. This phone has an amazing AI wallpaper generator, just like the Pixel 8 Pro. The keyboard has several AI tools, including language translation, advanced grammar and spelling, and the ability to rewrite messages in different styles, including professional, polite, or informal. It sounds a bit generic, but I think it might be useful for people who struggle to write appropriate emails to their boss. Samsung Notes can summarize documents, but it's limited to less than 8,000 characters, about 1,500 words, which is disappointing. Samsung Internet Browser: even a very long article can be summarized with impressive results on the surface. The voice recorder app can record text but cannot record in real time like the Google version. The phone app offers real-time voice translation so you can try communicating in different languages. It works well for formal matters like reservations, but struggles with informal language and jargon. Don't completely trust any of these features without carefully examining the output, but they are useful in an emergency. Create Edit in the Photo Gallery app is Samsung's version of the Google Magic Editor found on Pixel phones. Using the server's AI, you can change, replay, delete or move objects and other operations to recreate the image every time. This is great for quick fixes that require Photoshop to work properly, but it can also make things confusing. All AI-edited images are marked with a small symbol in the bottom left corner to let people know they're not completely original. A unique feature is the ability to convert any video into slow motion using AI to create additional images with stunning images. You can get good results if you don't look at the artifact too much.